Hello children, welcome to today's class. We are going to continue with our lesson Role Played by Gender. In our previous video, we saw about introduction to gender and regarding the gender stereotyping. Now, in this video, we are going to see about role of gender, both male as well as female. Let's move on to the topic. Role of gender in family. Within the Indian families, both boys and girls are treated differently. This may also vary according to the family as well as the place which they belong to. We are going to see about men and women. Men, they are expected, boys are expected that boys will be naughty. Okay, girls are expected to be more submissive and obedient. That is, girls are expected to be always silent, and girls has to obey to all the instructions given to her. Boys are allowed to go out and play whenever they want, but with respect to girls, they are allowed to go out and play only with up to a certain age, and after that, as the girls grow older, parents are very much protective about the girls and they will not let girls outside, especially alone. Boys are considered as the providers and protectors for the family. So family members consider that only boys will go outside and work for the family, and boys are the people who will financially support the family. So they are considered as the providers and protectors for the family. Girls on the other side are expected to work only for the household. So the entire house will be the houseworks will be under the control of the girls or women. Investing in boys' future is considered as primary. So, amount spent for a boy and his future is considered as the main thing. Whereas, amount spent for a woman is usually considered as secondary. We don't say this or all these are happening in all the places or in all homes, but in few places, in few houses, people are still having these stereotypes on both girls and boys. I repeat, these are not happening everywhere in India. I come to say that these stereotypes are present only in few places and in few houses, but still it is there. Role of gender within school environment. Across India, girls are discriminated against when it comes to schooling. See, do you have you all thought why there is a special school for girls? Or have you all thought why there is a girls' school? It is because during the past, or you can even take in the case of 17th, 16th and 17th century, even around that time, girls were not allowed to go for school. Girl child were getting married in the age of 6 or even 7. Okay, in that age, if they get married, how will they go and go to school and educate themselves? So, in order to stop child marriage, in order to educate girl child especially, because boys were allowed to go to school and for work during the past. But during the past, girls were not allowed for education as well as for going outside for an office work. So, people and many social reformers thought to educate girl child so that she can become independent when she grows up. That was the idea behind the girls' schools. Across India, girls are discriminated against when it comes to schooling. Educating women is considered unnecessary and a waste of time and money, as it is assumed or as it was assumed that women would only take care of the house. Anyway, when a woman grows up, she is going to take care of house only, no? So why should I waste money in educating that particular girl child? Like that, many families had thought in the past. Okay, so they did not allow girl child to go for school and educate herself. Anyway, she is going to get married and she is going to sit in house only, no? Then why should we educate her? This was the idea of certain people during the past. But nowadays, girl children are very well getting educated. When resources were limited, most people would choose to send their sons to school as they were seen as the future breadwinners for the family. Whatever we saw, the points we saw now were regarding the past. Okay, in past, girls were not allowed to go to school, but boys were allowed to go to school because boys will grow up and go to job and they will be taking care of parents. So it is very much good and practically correct to invest on boys education purpose. But when it comes to girls education, people hesitated in educating a girl child during the past. But nowadays, everybody is getting equal education, and government has opened many government schools even in rural areas as well as urban areas, so that we can achieve 100% literacy in our country with respect to boys as well as girls. Everybody have the right to education. Role of gender in public places. Women are expected to take care of the house and children and stay indoors. They are expected to behave properly in public places, and even in few places, certain people expect women to cover their heads and faces too. You would have all seen some women, they also used to cover their faces. They will be just down to earth. For example, their face will be facing only the earth. They won't look upwards. So certain girls have been brought up in such a way that they have to behave only like that in public. Okay, so these are all the role of gender in public places, especially for women. So we have seen about the role of gender in public places, school, and within family. Somehow these stereotypes existed in the past and exist in present in few places. But this should be totally avoided and prevented in the future. That is why we are all educating you regarding the stereotypes. Okay, thank you.